Hello, Lavis! Today is another Pamper Day diri sa The Elixir Aesthetic Center sa Argao. So today we'll be availing a lot of services with them, starting with Korean glass skin facial treatment, celestial drip, pico laser treatment, also their mesolipolysis with RF and cavitation or radio frequency and cavitation. So today we started with celestial drip, nagi-administer ni Ara. So if you can see, it's being administered on my arm. So that is Celestial Drip. It has anti-acne, it has collagen and immunity boosting properties that will help sa imuhang health. And right now, you can see in the video, nagi-administer po ang mesolipolysis injection. This is a medicine which will burn the fats in inyong tummy, arms, and face area. So if you can see, three shots to the left and three shots to the right ang administer. So next part, Ana, is the radio frequency. So if you can see, this machine will also help in burning the fats sa inyong tummy area. Then after that, we proceed to the facial treatment. First is the facial cleanser or facial foam cleanser na makapalimpyo sa inyong naong to remove the impurities and dirt from your travel towards the center. So after sa facial cleanser, mo proceed dayon ta sa next step, which is the vacuum machine for the aiding pod in removing the fat sa inyong tummy area. So this comes with the mesolipolysis. Then next is the facial scrub. This is used to clean once again mga stubborn dirt and mga areas that need cleansing sa inyong naong. So this can remove mga dead skin cells. And then after that is the third part for the tummy. That's the cavitation machine. And this is once again to aid in burning the fat sa inyong tummy area. Afterwards, we proceed to the hot steam sa inyong naong to soften the mga dirt, mga blackheads, whiteheads, to soften that in the face. And then afterwards, is prick na dayon siya ni Giselle para matangtang to mga stubborn dirt, blackheads, and whiteheads. So this, if you can see in the video right now, is the suction machine. This will also help in removing stubborn dirt in the pores. Mao na siya, guys. And then afterwards, gibutangan na dayon og retinol with this will be helping in gliding through the equipment. If you can see, na galvanic machine ang gigamit karon sa atong naong. This is used to tone the face and flatten the pores. Mao na siya ang purpose sa galvanic machine. Then afterwards is the eye bag removal machine. Luckily, dili ra kay ta problematic sa atong eye bags area, but if you have any concerns with your eye bags, this is the best Korean glass skin facial treatment for you. Then afterwards is the cold hammer. So ganina sa hot steam gi-open ang pores, karon i-close na ang pores para dili na siya dali-dali masudlan og hugaw ang inyong mga pores once you go out of the center. So this is a relaxing step, very relaxing kay cold ni siya all throughout the face. Then afterwards is the high frequency machine. This is antibacterial and this will help para dili na dayon bugas-bugas, dili na dayon mo magka-acne, guys, kay this will kill the bacteria in your face. Mao na siya ang high frequency antibacterial machine. Afterwards is the pico laser treatment. This is one of my favorite treatments. This will help in lightening the dark spots and acne marks in your face. So pico laser treatment good is the best for your acne marks. Then afterwards, padayon ta sa mesolipolysis. This is in the arm area na. So there will be three shots administered sa ato ang arm. So three shots on the left arm, three shots on the right arm. So this will help in burning the fats sa atong arm area, and this will also promote mga thinning or magpa-slender sa atong arms. So mga Barbie arms inyong ganahan diha. Mo na siya one of the steps or one of the procedures that's available in the Elixir Aesthetic Center. So after the mesolipolysis is injected in the arms, we proceed to the RF vacuum and cavitation process. If you can see, there's a machine gliding through the gel, the ultrasound gel, and this will be helping as well or aiding in the burning of the fats in your arm area. So next machine used is vacuum machine. So this is also part of the step 2 burn the fats sa inyong arm area. So, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to get your support. I hope you can also support the Elixir Aesthetic Center sa ilahang branch diri sa Argao. So once again, thank you so much for your support and I hope you have a great day, lovies. Do take care and God bless always. Bye, lovies!